What I want to talk about before I get started though, a little bit about color. When I look out there today, it's not about bright colors, it's about the neutrals. And the neutrals are really the key to painting. And when I say this on the color wheel, I'm talking about inside the color wheel. Different ways to mix grays, to mix neutrals. Most people have one way. They'll use a burnt sienna and ultramarine blue, and that's how they get the neutral. But there are many, many, many different ways. We'll just stay with that. The ultramarine violet, little Naples yellow, which is a compliment. I'm after the earthiness of this painting right now, so I'm going to just come in with a little darker mark to show some irregular textural patterns moving through there, and we'll just drop it. And I'm looking at some of the edge of this beaver dam that's on the upper part of the painting. Again, it's going to be a secondary note, but still it's important. And the thing is, sometimes each part of the painting has to have equal consideration. Even if it's a secondary, very simple, quiet area, that's what's going to make this contrasting area of the spillway of the waterfall later important. So this has to be well thought and planned when you dive into it. Now I'm staying with that same mix, and I'm just trying to create a few little log patterns. We'll just break this up and just drag across, just kind of reacting to the paper and so on. Okay, I'm going to come back and looking at this, squinting my eye. I want this to be a little darker here, and so that'll bring this forward, push that back. Then I'm going to come back into the beaver dam and build some more patterns. So I'll come back with that same Viridian mix, but darker. And maybe this time with the Viridian, want more pigment, less water, I'll come in with a cad red. Not a complement, a near complement to the warm side. Not quite a neutral, but that's what I need. So I'm just going to build this a little darker and come in with a little water and let that softly shift. Come back to that Viridian, because it's mainly about getting a good value change here. Come over to this other side and do the same thing.